How can I transfer money directly from my Wise account to my PayPal account right now on my phone just in some seconds? So, is it even possible to transfer money directly from your Wise to your PayPal? So, first of all, you just need to understand that there is no direct thing to do like this. There is no possible way to transfer money directly from your Wise to your PayPal. But in this video, I'm showing you an alternative and a fast network connection that how you can simply transfer your money from your Wise to PayPal. In order to transfer money between these two applications, we need to understand that if you have received a payment recently on your Wise account, then let it be transferred to your bank account. Yes, this is the first step. Whenever you will receive any payment on your account on Wise, then it will be transferred to you automatically or manually to your bank account. So you just need to withdraw those Wise funds to your bank, and then we have to follow the second step. That is, open your PayPal in front of you here on your profile. As you can see, I have already logged into my Google Chrome here. I will click on the PayPal balance, and here I will simply click on send or request a payment. Click on it, and after clicking on it, you will see an option to request or to receive money to your PayPal account. Here you have to simply enter your bank details and add money to your PayPal account manually. So you will need an intermediate bank account to do this thing or to transfer money from Wise to PayPal. So the simple thing is, firstly withdraw the money to from your Wise to bank account, and then add money the same bank account, the same money you have to add it in your PayPal. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.